Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I want to show you what we got here. We got OYPLA Converter Heater. This gear will help you to stay warm and comfortable all year round. Freestanding converter heater designed to deliver fast, effective heating wherever you are or whenever you need it, using natural conversion currents to circulate warm air evenly throughout the room. It provides a reliable and consistent heat output without the noise of traditional fan heaters, making it perfect for bedrooms, living space, and office use. We're going to unbox this, check it out, and see what is inside. So these are the stands. One go on each side of the heater. Screws and user manual included in the packaging. To show you how to set up the stands for this heater, what you need to do is take the screw, 4 screws included, put one on each. So take the stand, put it, then tighten the screw. And do the same thing to the other end. Then tighten it up. Brilliant. Yeah. Then do the same thing. So that the other one. Great. We're going to plug it onto the power. And this working. Switch it on and off on this button. Then regulate it to high to low. Do not touch here. So this is how to set this up. While you are here, please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. We also got this heater. Check it out on our eBay store. Thank you very much.